my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is a sabji from UP called Baingan ke lonje. Baingan as in Brinjal. So the ingredients required for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got brinjal in here. I'm using the rounded brinjal here, but if you can get the long variety, please make use of them. In here, I've got a spice powder made out of dry red chillies, black cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and some peppercorns. I've got some thinly sliced onion, which I have fried in ghee until they are golden brown and crisp. I've got some ginger here, some finely chopped coriander, lime, cloves, sugar, and again we'll need some more ghee to cook the dish in. You'll also need salt to taste. So let's start making the dish. So the first step is to take the onions and the ginger and half of the powdered spices along with some salt to taste, and we'll make a paste out of this. So I've got the paste ready in here. Let's move to the next process. So the next step is to prep the brinjal. What you need to do is just take off this portion of the brinjal without removing the stalk. Just clean the stalk a little and then vertically put a slit without fully breaking it apart. So you can see I've just opened a cavity like this. Now what we'll do is we'll stuff this masala in the cavity. I have a kadai on fire, medium heat. I poured some ghee into it. Now we'll add the cloves into the ghee. And just let it give its aroma out. Once it gives its aroma, we'll add in the leftover masala. Give it a mix. Now we'll drop in the brinjal. And just saute this until it becomes slightly glossy. Now you can see the skin of the brinjal has turned a little glossy. So we'll bring the flame down to low and we'll cover and cook this until the brinjal is completely done. Covered it, kept it on low flame, and we'll allow this to cook until the brinjal is fully done. You can see the brinjals have been cooked nicely. At this stage we'll add the rest of the powdered spices, lime juice, sugar to taste, and chopped coriander leaves. Mix it all well. And allow this to cook for 5 minutes. Everything is mixed well and the Baingan ki lonje is ready. So the recipe is ready. This can be served with some rotis, naan or chapati. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. So I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.